Stop buying expensive sauces. You can make this sweet, sticky honey garlic sauce at home in just 5 minutes. And it tastes even better. 1/2 cup honey, 4 cloves fresh garlic minced, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice, 1 tablespoon water, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch for thickening. Heat a small pan on medium heat and add the minced garlic. Let it cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Don't burn it, just lightly golden. Now pour in the soy sauce and honey and gently stir to combine all the flavors. Add vinegar or lemon juice to balance the sweetness. In a small bowl, mix cornstarch with water to make a slurry. Slowly pour it into the pan while stirring continuously. Within seconds, you'll see the sauce turn glossy, thick, and beautifully sticky. Turn off the heat once the sauce coats the back of a spoon. If you love quick homemade sauces like this, follow for more easy recipes every week.